Okay, so let's look at this question now. Again, like I told you, uh, like I told you that every question in geometry, 90% of those questions are basically solved in the diagram, and 10% is what basically goes into writing it. So now I have to prove, see, so I have to prove something like this. So don't get scared. I have to prove SR is equal to 5 PQ. Don't get scared with what is this. What you do is just write it in this. So just get PQ down. Just get PQ down. So before looking at the question also, now I'm telling you what exactly has to be done. Get PQ down. So it is SR upon PQ is equal to 5 by 1. So by this I get a hint, and the hint is, or I get a clue. The clue is I need to prove some triangle is similar. I have to prove some triangle similar and do the CSST, because this is the CSST ka format. This upon this. So basically now I'll see which triangle I need to prove similar. SR, where is SR? See, SR is in this triangle. And where is PQ? PQ is in this triangle. So now I know which two triangles I have to prove similar. Okay. So I'll go ahead. I'll write the given. Like I told you again, guys, when you see something like this, don't get scared. You just push the PQ down. So SR, if SR is equal to 5 PQ, you write SR upon PQ is equal to 5 by 1. Now this takes the form of CSST. You write now this upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to this upon this. So this is that form. So that means you know that you have to prove the triangle similar. So now you check SR. SR is in which triangle? SR is in this triangle. You check for PQ. PQ is in this triangle. So now what I'll go ahead and do, so like I said, SR is in which triangle? SR is over here. It will be in this triangle. And PQ is over here. It will be in this triangle. Okay. Okay. So I know which two triangles to take. Okay. Now what is given? In trapezium. In trapezium PQRS. In trapezium PQRS. PQ is parallel to SR. So see, like I always told you, whenever they are parallel, you try putting equal marks. PQ is parallel to SR. See, they have given something, because you can't prove directly it is 5 upon 1 like this only. You need to have the same relation somewhere. So they have given you AR is equal to 5, but I'll see how to use that later. I looked at this and I understood that okay, I have to bring it in this form, SR upon PQ. PQ को नीचे लाना पड़ेगा मेरे को, SR के नीचे लाना पड़ेगा, and then 5 by 1. That means I have to get this in the form of CSST. Now to get it in the form of CSST, before that I have to prove that they are similar. So now I'll see which test I'll use to prove them similar. Look at this. Which angles are these two? If this is parallel line and this is parallel line, which angles are these two? Come on, everyone attended the first class. Tell me which two angles are these? Which two angles are these? Why is only assumption answering? I have explained it to everyone. I explained it to even everyone. Alternate angles. So Z, forming Z and the inverse, the reverse Z. So this is the reverse Z. The straight Z would have been something like this. So basically, I take this angle and I take this angle. Can I say they are equal? Yes. Why alternate angles? Which are these two angles? These two angles are which? These two are which angles? Come on, guys, tell me. These two are which type of angles? Vertically opposite angles. That's it. I'm done. I got one A over here. I got one A over here, and I got second pair of A over here. A test done. So we could have used the second wala alternate angle also. We could have used this. See, if this goes like this, we could have used this and this also. So it's all your choice. If you want to use two alternate angles, use two alternate angles. If you want to use one alternate and one vertically opposite, I will always basically you can use it. I always use one alternate and one vertically opposite. Okay, so it all depends on you. It's not any hard and fast rule that you have to use vertically opposite only, but you need to have two pairs. So all on you. Okay. So to prove, I have to prove. What I have to prove? I have to prove this. So I'll write that. Okay. Now proof. Statement. and reason. Okay. First step. Can anyone tell me what is the first step? Can anyone tell me what is the first step? Can anyone tell me what is the first step? See, 90% of what we had to do now, that is done in the diagram. Now we are doing that remaining 10%. No, before writing given, we'll write in triangle. Which two triangles will you take? I told you na. SR is in which triangle? SR is in SAR. SAR. So in triangle SAR, we'll take triangle SAR. In triangle SAR and triangle this. PQ is in which triangle? It's in PAQ. So and triangle PAQ. So first is your which triangle are you going to use? That is always going to be the first step. मतलब numbering में first step will be always your statements, but you always have to say which two triangles you use. Now see this angle, I'll make a Z. This angle. So what is the name of this? SRA. Angle SRA is congruent to angle. This SRA is congruent to angle APQ. And reason is alternate angles. So see this angle, go here, go straight and do this. So basically you are making an inverse Z. Okay. Second, you want to use, tell me what you want to use. I'll do it according to you. Chalo. Tell me what you want to use. You want to use the second alternate angle or you want to use the vertically opposite angle? You want to use the second alternate angle, that is this one, or you want to use the vertically opposite angle? So I'll use the vertically opposite angle. So I'll say this and this. I'll say this and this. So SAR is congruent to PAQ. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. Exam you have to write the entire thing, vertically opposite angles. Now comes the next step, that is 1 to 1. Now tell me, now I'll start asking you, you guys have to answer. A will go with what? A will go with what? This A was equal to what? Come on, everyone, I want you all to answer. A will go with what? This A will go with what? A will go with A because this A was equal to this thing basically. This A. So A will go with A. This P went with which? So P, this P, look at this P went with what? P went with what? This P and what were equal? Tell me. Come on guys. P and R, correct. P and R. So P, this P, see I made this Z ना? Z बनाने के टाइम पे मेरे को पता P और Z. Oh sorry, P and R. Sorry, Z बनाने के टाइम पे I got P and R. Now what is left over here? Q is left over here and S is left over here. So this is AA test. See here what was left in this, Q was left over here and in this S was left. So I wrote Q and S. Now I go and write the CSST. PA upon AR is equal to AQ upon RS is equal to PQ upon AS. Now see, basically AR and AP, इसका ratio I already knew. So basically you will say AR is equal to 5 AP. इसका reason will be given. इसका reason will definitely be CSST. Now see, this is given. I'm writing, this was my fourth step, this was my fifth step. Okay, so AR or AP upon AR. How much is AP upon AR? AP you keep here only, AR you bring down. That means 5 you take down and 1 you keep here. See, AP I kept here only, AR I got down. So AP upon AR. That means 5 you'll have to cross multiply here. 5 you'll take down. So that becomes 1 by 5. So now if AP upon AR, see AP upon AR becomes 1 by 5. Therefore this also becomes 1 by 5. This also becomes 1 by 5. So I'll write it over here. I'll write this was my sixth step, my seventh step. See, AP upon AR becomes 1 upon 5. Now what we want to prove? We want to prove SR and PQ. So SR and PQ is where? Okay, have I done any mistake? Let me check. So A is going with A is going, okay, no, I've done a mistake, na guys, you didn't tell me. So see, I told you, if you do a mistake, everything goes wrong. If you do a mistake away, everything, the entire thing goes wrong. You have to be very careful when you are writing the CSST. I told you this yesterday also. See, I made a mistake and my CSST went wrong. Because the CSST went wrong, everything else following that went wrong. So this is a live example, okay, on basically writing this one-to-one very correctly. Okay, okay. See, A is going with A, so that I wrote. A is going with A. This Q is going with S, so I'll rub this. This Q has to go with S. What is left? This P. This P will go with R. Now is it correct? Let's check again. This P Z बना रहा था ना ये, so ये P और ये R. So basically P and R, A and A, and whatever is left Q and S. Now I think the CSST should be correct. So PA upon AR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon RS. Okay, now see, this is your fourth step. Now your fifth step. Fifth step क्या बोल रहा है? See, I'll take this. AR is equal to 5 AP. Okay, now you want AP on top. See, AP is on top, AR is down. So you keep AP here only. So take AR down. You keep AP here only, you take AR down. So that becomes 1 by 5. That becomes 1 by 5. Correct? That becomes 1 by 5. Now what you want? You want SR and you want PQ. SR and PQ is in which? See, SR and PQ is over here. So then you say, therefore in 7th step, therefore PQ upon RS will also be equal to 1 by 5. Reason? From this and this, from 4 and 5. Because see, 4 may you got that this and this are equal, and 5 may you got that AP upon AR is 1 by 5. So you can write 1 by 5 here also. And now that's it, you cross multiply. PQ into 5, 5 PQ is equal to RS into 1 is RS. And I think we are done with the what is asked. So you finally rate hence proof. Finally, so SRC, SR is equal to 5 PQ, SR is equal to 5 PQ. So very simple question, very simple question. I'll just go through it again. Look at this. Which are the two triangles? This is one triangle and this is another triangle. A will go with A. So see, vertically opposite. P and R. So entire name QPA or APQ. However you want to say APQ or QPA. So APQ or QPA, and then this angle ARS or SRA. However you want to name it. Alternate angles. Then you write 1-to-1 correspondence. A will go with A. A is going with A. P is going with R. See, P is going with R. Then what is left over here? Q, and what is left over here? S. Then you write their CSST. First, second, second, third, and then first, third. Then you see that this is given. So you write that. Now see, PA is on top, AR is down. Okay, one second. Okay, sixth step I have not written correct. Let's say this is sixth step. So I'll say from 4, 5, and 6, all three. I'll say from 4, 5, and 6, all three. Okay. 5 is not required actually, but 4, 5, and 6. It's not. It doesn't matter. Okay. You are basically concluding from this, and this, na. So now see. So basically, you wrote this. AP is basically, see. Look at AP. AP is on top. AR is down. So you keep this AP on top only. You take this AR down. Similarly, this 5 will get cross multiplied down. So AP upon AR is 1 by 5. Now you know AP upon AR is equal to PQ upon RS. So then PQ upon RS also will become 1 by 5. And then finally you cross multiply that. That's how you get the answer. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Okay, sorry guys, I had muted myself. I'm sorry, I muted myself when I was talking. I'm sorry. Yeah, so 90%, 10%. So now what I was saying is 90% try to solve it in the diagram. 10% is basically. Is my voice still not coming? Is my voice still not audible? Is it audible now? It's audible now. Okay. So yeah. Okay. 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 So now, like I told you, you make this z. You make this z. So you get two alternate angles. You get this alternate angle with this with this, or you can use one alternate and one vertically opposite. So that's up to you. Now AB is given to me as 20. DC is given to me as 6. OB, this one is given to me as 15. I want to find OD. Simple. So basically, given, what is given? What is given? Quickly. In trapezium ABCD, in trapezium ABCD, side AB, in trapezium ABCD, side AB is congruent to side DC. Side AB is congruent to side DC. So congruent, I'm sorry, parallel. This one and this one. These two are parallel. So now I'm going ahead and going to make this line. So I know that this is equal to this, and I'll say vertically opposite angles. That's it. Okay. So I'll start with my proof, not proof. Find bola na. Whenever it's find, you always say solution. Okay. Statement and reason. In triangle, tell me the names of the triangles which I'll take. Tell me the names of the triangles. This upper wala triangle. Tell me the name of that triangle. Tell me the name of the triangle. Tell me the name of the triangle. COD. COD. And this lower wala triangle. BOA. Tell me the name of the lower triangle. BOA. So this is COD and this is BOA. Okay. Statement reason. First step. This angle and this angle are equal. So DCO. Angle DCO. This angle DCO. पूरा ऑल्टरनेट बना के छोड़ना है इसको पूरा, नहीं तो कंफ्यूजन होगा. तो बेसिकली OAB. रीजन क्या आएगा? ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. दिस ऑलरेडी हम लोग ने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया हुआ है. थोड़ा फास्ट जाऊंगा. सेकंड वाला, सेकंड दिस COD vertically opposite. COD is congruent to BOA. BOA. COD BOA. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Third step. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. C will go with, tell me now, I'm going to ask you, C is going to go with what? C will go with, tell me, this C will go with, this C will go with A, correct? C will go with A, yes. C and A, because they are alternate angles, na? So C will go with A. O, this O will go with this O. And finally this D, look at this, alternate idhar bhi bananga, will go with this B. And that is A test. So I'm using two angles. Okay. And then you directly write CSST. What is the CSST? CO upon AO. So first, second, third, OD upon OB, and then CD upon AB. That is CSST. Now what is given? CO, is it given? Is CO given? No. Is AO given? No. So basically this is invalid. I don't want this. Is OD given? OD is asked, so I write OD. Is OB given? OB is 15. Is CD given? CD is 6. Is AB given? AB is 20. So 5 threes are, 5 fours are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are. OD is equal to 3 threes are 9 upon 2. Everyone knows this cross multiplication. I'll go through the cross multiplication. I just considered everyone knows cross multiplication. In case you don't know, please look at this again. In case you don't know, please look at this again. So OD I didn't know. I knew OB. How much was OB? OB was 15. OB was 15. How much is CD? CD is 6. How much is AB? AB is 20. So you can cross multiply this here first if you want. So OD is equal to 6 into 15 upon 20. Okay. 6 into 20 upon 50. You can multiply 6 into 15. 6 into 15 is 90. 90 upon 20. This and this goes. 2 ones are 2 4.5s are. So OD becomes 4.5 units. 4.5 units. Did you all understand this, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay.